Hi friends, I'm Miss Alanah. Today we are going to make color mixing volcanoes. For this project, you will need baking soda, vinegar, red, yellow, and blue food dye, and a platter for our project. First step, put 3 large piles of baking soda onto your platter. Next, take your red food dye and put about 6 to 10 drops, if you want more, depending upon the size of your baking soda pile, onto the first baking soda volcano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The more food dye you use, the more color rainbow you will get. Yellow food dye. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And blue food dye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now comes the magic. Some vinegar. We are going to pour vinegar onto each of these piles of baking soda. And let's see what happens. Nice generous amount. It's bubbling. Now we got the yellow. And now we have the red. They are all mixing together to make the colors of the rainbow. We have red, orange, yellow, green, some purple too. Enjoy your color rainbows. See you soon. Bye now.
Whoa, what a colorful explosion.